Gross yield is what they show you. Net yield is what you actually make. And in Dubai property, that difference matters more than you think. Here's what I see happen all the time. An investor gets shown a property with a 9% gross yield. They get excited, they buy, and then they discover that after service charges, agency management fees, maintenance, and periods of vacancy, their actual net yield is closer to 5 or 6%. Now, 5 to 6% net is still strong, better than most UK buy to let right now. But the gap between what was promised and what was delivered erodes trust. And it's completely avoidable if you know what to look for before you sign. So here's what I calculate every time. Take the annual rental income, deduct the annual service charge. This varies massively by building, so always ask. Deduct management fees if you're using an agent to manage, typically 5 to 8% of your rental income. Factor in 1 month vacancy per year as a conservative buffer. What's left is your net rental income. Divide that by your purchase price. That's your real net yield. My banking background taught me one thing above everything else. Always read behind the headline number. In property as in finance, the detail is everything. Save this, use it in your next property conversation, and if you want me to run the numbers on a specific project, you know where to find me. Gross yield is what they show you.